Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today this video is about types of vaccines, a very important topic for drug inspector exam, GPAT and other pharmacy competitive exams. So this video will help you to understand classification of vaccines and their example. So let's begin. What is vaccine? What is vaccine? Vaccine is a biological preparation that helps body to develop active immunity against specific infectious disease. Okay, so the first well-known example of type of vaccine is live attenuated. Okay, so in this vaccine, live attenuated vaccine contains a weakened but living organism. They are weak, but they are living live organisms. So examples are BCG, OPV, oral poison, polio vaccine, measles, mumps, rubella, MMR, that is also known as MMR, then varicella, yellow fever. Then in second type, inactivated, that in this microorganisms are killed. Okay, so killed microorganisms are used in this type. So IPV, rabies, hepatitis A, inactivated influenza, and Japanese encephalitis. These are example of vaccines in which inactivated microorganisms are used. Then next, okay, but these inactivated vaccines are safer than live vaccines and they cannot cause disease. So, but there is a booster dose required in this type of vaccines. So, if we talk about live attenuated vaccines, so these vaccines produce a strong, long-lasting immune response, and usually one dose is required to cause or prevent or activate um, immunity against that specific disease. Okay, so but they are contraindicated in immunosuppressed compromised patients, in which the patient which has low immunity, these are contraindicated in that condition. Okay, so next type is toxides. Toxides contain inactivated bacterial toxins. Okay, inactivated. So example are diphtheria toxin and tetanus toxin. They protect against toxin mediated diseases, not the bacterial itself. Okay, so next type is subunit and recombinant. Subunit and recombinant vaccine. So in subunit, purified antigen part are used. The examples of this vaccine are cellular pertussis, then subunit influenza and anthrax. Then in recombinant, the vaccine produced by using a genetic engineering, and examples are hepatitis B and HPV. So this has fewer side effect and safe in immunocompressed patient. These are two safe in immunocompressed in that condition where immunity is compressed. Okay. So next is polysaccharide vaccines. Polysaccharide vaccines are made up from the capsular polysaccharide of bacteria. So it is important to remember in this bacteria, this is made up from the bacteria, capsular polysaccharide of bacteria. Example are pneumococcal PPSV23, meningococcal and typhoid VI. So they show poor immune response in children below 2 years, and they do not produce immunological memory. So next is conjugated. Conjugated vaccines are formed by the linking polysaccharide antigens to protein carrier. Polysaccharide linked to the protein carrier. Examples are Hib vaccine, HIV vaccine, pneumococcal conjugated PVC, that is vaccine, then meningococcal conjugate. So they are effective in infants and produce long-term immune memory. Okay. Then next is mRNA, that is messenger RNA encoding antigen. mRNA vaccines use messenger RNA to produce antigen inside body. Examples are Preferzer, that is made up by the biotech, and Moderna COVID vaccines. Both are for COVID-19. Then they in this no live vaccine, no live virus, and they were first widely used during the COVID-19 pandemic. The next is viral vector. So in this vaccine, it use a harmless virus to deliver genetic material, harmless virus as a carrier. So it is also used in COVID-19, that's AstraZeneca and Johnson and Johnson. These are two vaccines made up by these companies. So next is Ebola. Then next, it's a vaccine DNA type vaccine type DNA vaccines. So these are made by the using a plasmid DNA to stimulate the immune response. Example is ZyCoV-D, Indian based DNA based COVID-19 vaccine. And next is a combination that in this multiple antigen in one shot or one vaccine. Multiple antigens are used in one vaccine. So examples are DPT, that um, DPT, MMR, that is mumps, measles, and rubella, diphtheria, typhoid, and these DPT and pentavalent. So these are some types of vaccine. So for the drug inspector, these are some important points. So if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. If you want some MCQs on this topic, you can comment vaccine in the comment section. And thank you for watching, and all the best for your preparation. Bye bye.